a good time. Let's explore a world of furniture. Look at this bed. Oh my God. Wow. Hello. Ooh, look at these beds. This and this go together. This go together. Beautiful. Ah. For this, and the mattress added. Okay. Wow. Wow. Oh my God, 你好。And there's
This
1,
one.
2, 3, yeah. This is beautiful. It's a sofa bed. I like this little piece right here. Can hold it out. Children bed. Aww. They're so beautiful. Ooh.
Color, no problem. With color.
Beautiful. Like my eyes just shining all over the place. See people all here doing business. Business. Wow. Hello. Natural marble. Okay. Look at these babies. I mean, all over. These are freaking beautiful. So you see these chairs? They are double face. You know how sometimes the front part will be different and the back part won't have anything? You have the same thing going on at the back part. So it's double face. Beautiful. And man, the leather is something else, like real good quality leather. Real good one. So this whole set together, just one there? No? Everything? Oh, okay. Just not there? No table. Oh, no table, okay. Yeah, oh, I love this. Yes, so here we have chairs that people can use in churches, at tables for restaurants and stuff. So y'all know what to do. Y'all know what to do. So this is it. Hit me up if you want any of these things. Let me know. Let me know. And I may not cover everything that's here today. So definitely, I don't know the prices for everything here. If I will have to come back, when you need something, I will definitely have to do that. But while I'm here today, this is it. So you can see, have a look around, okay? Don't forget now, follow the pages, Delisha Life and Travel, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, anywhere you type that name in. Please follow me. Thanks to everybody. I love you. I can't cover everything today and put in this video. But the few that are here, and the reason that I'm not trying to explore all over is because I came for something specific for another client.